Good morning, everyone. This live is to today is April 23rd, 2025, and I just look for uptrends before the market opens. I gotta get my settings in here. Take that out. I use certain settings. Put that in. Okay. Now we're set. I just look for uptrends before the market opens. This is for information and educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I just love reading stock charts. It's one of my favorite pastimes. It's actually a passion of mine. I have a watch list that I go through every morning. And the watch list don't look too extensive this morning. I go live for about an hour. It is currently 7:36 a.m. my time. The market opens at 8:30. So I have about an hour. We're gonna look at a variety of stocks, all price points. But I think look like most of these, all price points. Expensive, cheap, penny stocks, they're all on the list today. And our first ticker symbol I'm looking at is BTG. Look like BTG had a pullback last night. It's going to have a green day today. 50-day moving average is bullish, which turned bullish on April 9th. I think BTG is trading above its 200-day moving average. Here, I'm going to take a look at that. Yes, it's trading above its 200-day moving average of $2.86, looks like. And it's in a strong uptrend. It looked like it might have got into overbought territory up here. I'm going to take a look at that also. Yep, it got into overbought territory just a little bit. It would not breach the upper Bollinger Bands. And then you see the correction and the pullback. But it's actually in a pretty strong uptrend. So you can look for BTG to resume its uptrend today. Next on the list, LYG. That's an interesting looking chart. It's also on a nice uptrend. LYG is at $3.87. It's already starting to move pre-market. It's 4 cents pre-market. Look like the 50-day moving average just turned bullish on the 21st, which is really good. I'm gonna see if this is trading above its above the 200. Take a look at that real quick here. Yep, and it's trading above its 200-day moving average, which actually confirms a nice bull market. You see this here? This is a 200-day. You can see where it crossed over. was just history from there. Done a little sideways motion, but it was still trending up. And then you see the rally up here. Got an overbought territory. Had a correction. Probably a little selling going on there. And then the uptrend resumed. But we got an overbought territory again. Here's how I know I got an overbought territory. I'm going to show you this. I put in the Bollinger Bands. See, that's how I know I got an overbought territory. Same here. Got a little close to the upper Bollinger Band. And that was some selling right there. A nice uptrend though. That's nice. Like I said, this is for educational and informational purposes only. But I'll be looking for LYG to continue its uptrend today. I'll just try to check something out here. Hold on a second here. I want to take a look at we'll take a look at the S&P 500 here real quick. I'll brought up another screen. Okay, this is the S&P. That's what the S&P looked like yesterday. Had a green day. Like it's gonna have another green day today. The S&P 500. I think the S&P is trading below its 200 though. Yes, it is. It's trading below the 200-day moving average. But it's going to have another green day today. That's the S&P. Okay, I want to take a look at the NASDAQ. Computer's a little slow today. NASDAQ, same thing. Like the NASDAQ is going to have a up, it's trading below, it's going to have a green day. NASDAQ is trading below the 200-day moving average also. But it's going to have a green day today. Maybe not. I don't know. Well, with all the news, because you know, any type of news that has to do with these tariffs that's going on will make these markets move one way or the other. So it's kind of hard to see where the actual markets are gonna go. It's hard to predict them. See the Dow. They all look the same. Nope, Dow didn't. Dow had a red day yesterday. Because this is the 23rd right here. So the Dow had a red day. And the Dow's going to have another red day. It looks like it's going to have another red day. Well, let's see, they might all have a red day. All right, I'm going to get back to my list. Okay, I was looking at LYG. We are determined that LYG will continue its uptrend. ITUB. Look like ITUB got itself into overbought territory. See up here. It's at $5.85. It closed at $5.85. It's up pre-market 5 cents to $5.90. And it went all the way to look like around $5.89 yesterday, which got itself into overbought territory. And then you can see it pulled all the way back to $5.78 there, but it closed at $5.85. But the uptrend looks to be, let me see, make sure that uptrend is solid. Yeah, the uptrend 50-day moving average is bullish, which started on April 10th. And I'm going to look and see if it's trading above the 200. Check that out. Yeah, it's trading above its 200-day. So that uptrend is pretty solid. Even though it got itself in overbought territory and had to pull back, it's gonna be green today because it's already up 5. It's already up 5 cents free market. Okay, next on the list, NG. Let me take a look at NG. NG, I can tell this is in overbought territory and done a serious pullback here. Like the 50-day moving average turned bullish on April 17th. And it and it rallied up to over the 200-day moving average. This stock is trading at $4.35. It's down to $4.15 pre-market because it's in overbought territory. I'm gonna see how much is in overbought territory. Let's see how much is going to pull back. Oh, it's in serious overbought territory. I wouldn't mess with that because it's going to pull back. Yeah, there's going to be a correction. Wouldn't mess with that. KGC. KGC got itself in the overbought territory up here. Had a correction, pull back. 50-day moving average is bullish. I'm going to see if it's trading above its 200-day. KGC is currently trading at $14.73. It's down to $14.06 pre-market. It is trading above its 200-day moving average. It's going to have another red day, so I'll stay away from NKGC. It's already started. It's down 67 cents pre-market. SBSW. Okay, this looks good. It's currently trading at, it closed at $5.02. It's down 17 cents to $4.85 pre-market. It is in a solid uptrend. The 50-day moving average turned bullish on April 10th. Look like it might have got itself into overbought territory up here. Let me take a look. Yes, it did just a little bit. Then we see a little sideways movement here. But it's in a solid uptrend. It's going to have a green day, even though it's down 17 cents pre-market. The next candlestick is going to be green today when the market opens. That's going to turn green. I can guarantee it. But I'm going to see if it's trading above its 200-day. I'm going to take that out. Put it in 200. Yep. It's trading above its 200-day moving average. Looks good. Okay, next on the list, Coca-Cola. Ticker symbol KO. Coke looks good. Coke got itself into overbought territory a little bit too. It's trading above its 200-day. Coke is currently at $73. Well, it closed at $73.90. It's down to $73.40 pre-market. It's trading. It was trading above its 200. And look like the 50-day moving average just turned bullish on April 21st. So, which confirms it's already trading above its 200. But that 50-day moving average turning bullish just confirmed the Coke is in a is in a strong uptrend. I'm going to see if it's in overbought territory here. And it's not exactly an overbought territory. It touched though. It went outside the Bollinger Band just a little bit around like 74.36, something like that. But Coke's going to continue its upward trajectory today. So the next candle for Coke will be green. Let's see. Vodafone. VOD. Next on the list. VOD. It's looking good. BOD is currently trading at $9.58. It's down to $9.35, down 23 cents pre-market. Take this out, put in the 50, and the 50-day moving average is bullish. And it wasn't in an overbought territory. Let's see if it's trading above its 200. And yes, it just started trading above its 200. It just crossed over here. Probably around, what is it, on April 16th. So it's in a solid uptrend. I think that that next candle is going to be green for Vonda today. And these are actually trading, and our volume on all these are actually pretty high. Next on the list, FNA. We're going to look at FNA. I'm not liking that chart already. It's trading above its 200. That is just a yucky looking chart. Got itself an overbought territory up in there. Check out the Bollinger Band. The 50 is bullish. And this FNA is selling at $17.30. I don't know, I wouldn't mess with this. This chart just looks really weird to me. Next, Netflix. Let's take a look at Netflix. NFLX. Wow, Netflix looks pretty good. Netflix is up over $1,000, $1,040.34 to be exact, and it's already been moved $9.16 pre-market. Fifty-day moving average turned bullish on April 14th. Netflix looks good. Look like it's an overbought territory, though. We shall see. I'm going to take a Netflix, take that out. I'm going to put it in the 200. Yeah, it's trading above the 200. Netflix look good, but I bet it's in overbought territory, though. Yeah, I thought it would be. Like it's already pulling back a little bit pre-market because it was up $9.16 pre-market. It's down to $8.76 pre-market. So it's already starting to pull back because it is in overbought territory. But Netflix still looks good. It's a solid uptrend. So I will probably wait for the pullback to get into this. Some people will probably get into it now. It's down $7.66 now. So it's pulling back. Yeah. Netflix. There you go. AQN. Ticker symbol AQN. Chart looks good. 50-day moving average turned bullish on April the 11th. That uptrend just looks good. It's not in overbought territory, which looks good. Its AQN is at $5.39. That's what it closed at. It's at 5.38 pre-market, so it's down just 1 cent. But it's an uptrend. It's going to have a green day, so look for AQN to move higher today. Like I said, this is for information and educational purposes only. These are I am not a financial advisor. Philip Morris. We'll take a look at Philip Morris. Philip Morris looks good. 50-day moving average. Turned bullish on the 17th. It's trading above its 200. That's the 200 down here. I don't think it's in overbought territory either. It's just moseying on along in a nice uptrend. Yep. Parallel with the upper Bollinger Band. It looks good. Solid. Philip Morris is at 164.11. That's what it closed at. It's up $6.44 pre-market to 170.55. So yeah, that looks good. IBN, ticker symbol IBN. This looks good. This stock is selling at $34.08. That's what it closed at. It's down 30 cents per share at $33.78. It's in overbought territory. So I expect a correction on that. It will pull back because it's definitely in overbought territory. It's already starting to pull back. The 50-day moving average turned bullish way back here in March. Like around March 10th, the 50-day moving average turns bullish. Like you had a sideways motion here, but the uptrend resumed. I know it's trading above its 200. Yep, that's the 200. It's trading above its 200. Looks good. But it is an overbought territory, so I'd be a little cautious of messing with this because it's going to pull back more. It's in overbought territory. So there will be a correction. Yeah, I wouldn't mess with that. Unless you're a short seller or something. Let's see. PAGS. I can tell by looking at that, that's an overbought territory. Without even putting the Bollinger Bands on. This stock is at $9.35. It moved over 10% yesterday. It's at $9.60 pre-market, up 25 cents per share. The 50-day moving average looked like it turned bullish around April 10th. Yeah, I know that's in overbought territory. I know it is. Yep, that's going to pull back. That's the Bollinger Band. That's perimeter right there. It's way up here. And it shot up to like 943. Looked like it. Before the pullback started to happen. but it's way up here, so it's not gonna. I mean, you might see a spike, but it's that's gonna pull back. I wouldn't mess with that. NWG, and a lot of these I looked at them yesterday too. So NWG, oh, that looks good. Not an overbought territory. 50-day moving average turned bullish on April 14th. The stock is selling at $12.57. It moved $3, 3.29% yesterday. It's up to $12.74 pre-market. It's already then moved 17 cents. So that looks good. Looks good. Looks good. It's trading above its 200-day. Yeah, like some sideways motion going on there, but it's moving. It's actually moving higher with each day. Yeah, I think that's gonna have a green day. Yeah, 23 is gonna be. It's gonna be a green day for NWG because it closed at let's see, it went all the way up to 12. What is that? Look, about 12.58. One second, I want to see something here. Because I can look at the trading range on all these. What about looking at NWG? Really? Okay, here we go. Yesterday's trading range for NWG was $12.32 to $12.68. Moving right along. If you know how to use that information, use that information. AEM. Because I have to move along. I gotta cut my grass this morning. I was just waiting for the dude. Oh yeah, this is gonna have a green day. 50-day. What is it? It's ticker symbol AEM. The stock is selling at 121.10. That's what it closed at. It's down 115.20 pre-market, which is $5. It's down $5.90 per share pre-market. So it must have got itself into overbought territory up here. But it's going to have a green day today. Yeah. Go ahead and put in 200-day. Yeah, it's trading above its 200-day. I'm going to put in the Bollinger Bands here. I bet it's in overbought territory. That's why it's pulling back. Yep. Got itself in overbought territory. That's where you see this pullback here. Some stocks pull back just one day, and then some stocks continue to pull back. But it's inside the Bollinger Band, so I expect this to this uptrend to resume here because it's solid. AEM. Next on my list, XP. I'm only gonna be on here till 8:30 till market opens, and I'm done. Gotta go finish cutting my grass. I got one of those electric mowers, and I gotta get another set of batteries for it. One set of batteries because I got a huge backyard, and batteries ran down on me before I was able to finish. Got my front cut and the sides, and the batteries went dead on me. Then I was charging them, and they didn't charge all the way back up until it got dark, and I ain't finna cut no grass in the dark. My lines would be all over the place. This stock is ticker symbol XP. This stock is selling at, it closed at 14.48. It was up over 4% yesterday. Pre-market is at 14.76. It's up 28 cents per share. Its 50-day moving average on this is bullish though, which is, I'm not liking that at all. First one I found where the 50-day moving average is bullish. I mean bearish. I stand corrected. The 50-day moving average on XP is bearish. Because you can see where it started at right here. And then you see the descent. And it got itself into oversold territory a little bit. Came back in. You see the bounce. Buyers came back in. But this, I like for the 50-day moving average to be bullish before I mess with anything. And that 50-day moving average is not bullish. It's not even turning bullish. But hold on a second. Give me a second here. I'm going to take out this. Put a different indicator in here. Well, it looks like it's going to have a green day. I'm going to see if it's trading above the 200. No, I didn't think it would be. With that 50-day moving average being bullish, I didn't think that would be trading above the 200. So it's trading below the 200-day moving average. But it's going to have a green day. Because it's already then moved 28 cents per share pre-market. Moving right along. PLYA. This is trading above its 200. PLYA is closed at $13.41. It's up 4 cents pre-market to $13.45. I hope that ain't a squeeze. Well, I hope it is. Ooh, look like the 50-day is bullish. Yes, it is. $50-day is bullish. So I don't mess with. I wouldn't mess with that. Let's look at BTI. British American. This is on my watch list yesterday. BTI. BTI is currently at 42.80. That's what it closed at. It's down 77 cents per share. Pre-market to 42.03. It is trading above the 200. It will be green today. So it's a solid uptrend. 50-day moving average turned bullish on April 10th. Yeah, BTI is looking good. Yes, sir. SAN, ticker symbol SAN. Look like the 50-day moving average just turned bullish on this stock. You see where it was bearish here. And you saw this. That's oversold territory. I can tell just by looking at it. And you see the correction that came back in, then you see the bounce. Buyers came in. It's going to go higher today. This stock is selling at $6.94. That's what it closed at. It was up over 3% yesterday. It's at $7.10. Pre-market is up 16 cents per share. I'm gonna see if it's trading. See if it's trading above the 200 here. Yep, way above the 200. Looks good. It's not in overbought territory. Oh, looks good. Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at Dollar Tree. DLTR. Dollar Tree is in overbought territory. But the 50-day moving average is bullish. And it turned bullish on April 4th. Then you see the sideways movement, like it was struggling. Even after 50-day moving average turned bullish. But you see these spikes. So it was spiking. While it was going, so these are like, you can get in these like around here. And get out up here. It was doing some spikes. But it's an overbought territory. Then you see the move up. And I know it's probably, what is that? Dollar Tree is currently, it closed at 82.16, up over 3% yesterday. It's up $1.84 per share to $84 per share pre-market. That's going to pull back though. It's in the solid uptrend. Yeah, it's going to pull back today though. I'll wait for the pullback before I would mess with Dollar Tree. VICI. VICI, 50-day moving average turned bullish April 21st. This stock closed at $32.97 yesterday, up 2.55% yesterday. It's up pre-market to $33.28, up 31 cents pre-market. Like this uptrend is actually just starting with this one because the 50 just turned bullish. Well, it actually started down here. Probably was oversold territory. Let me see if this is trading above this 200 day. Yeah. It's trading above the 200. 50-day moving average crossed above the 200 way back here. On February 27th. But what I don't understand is this sideways movement. It was like it was struggling. It had a lot of resistance, except for this day right here, where it went to 34.06. It's one of them stocks that don't want to, that hates to move. You have these worms, they're turtles. They slow movers, slow to the game. Then you see all this selling right here. And we got an oversold territory. Moving right along. HDB. I like clear, strong up signals. I don't like this chart. HDB. $50-day moving average on this, like it crossed above the 200 around March 25th, somewhere around in there. Got a little sideways motion here, but the uptrend is solid. This stock is selling at 75.18. It was up almost 2% yesterday, and it's having a pullback, so it must be an over because it's down to 73.57 pre-market. This is down $1.61 pre-market, so it must be in overbought territory. Yes, it is. So yeah, I expect that to pull back. Yeah, it's gonna pull back. Wouldn't mess with that. HD. Okay. Take a look at Abbott Labs. We looked at Abbott yesterday. ABT. Uh-oh. Abbott Labs closed at 131.73 yesterday, up 1.42%. Pre-market is at 132.25, up 52 cents per share pre-market. But the 50-day moving average turned bullish April 17th for Abbott Labs. It's going to have a green day today, but let me see here. And it is trading above the 200. So I don't know how long the green days are going to last, because it's trading above the 200. But I like for that 50-day moving average to be bullish. And right now it is not bullish for Abbott Labs. And we'll take a look and see. Got into overbought territory on this day, which was April 16th, but then since then it's already pulled back and it's just going sideways here. Yeah, so it's not actually going up anymore. 50-day moving average turned bearish. Yeah, I'll stay away from Abbott. I wouldn't mess with Ab. Wouldn't mess with Abby. Splash Beverage, SBEV. SBEV. Oh, overbought territory for sure. 50-day moving average turned bullish April 17th. This stock is selling it closed at $6.77, up 1.80% yesterday. It's already starting to pull back. It's at $6.67, down 10 cents pre-market. Yeah, because it's up here. That's where it's at. This is the Bollinger Band. So it's in overbought territory. So I wouldn't mess with that until after the pullback. Summit Therapeutics, ticker symbol SMMT. I think it's already starting to pull back, but this stock is up pre-market $3.30 pre-market, over 12%. It's got a lot of momentum, and it's already in overbought territory. 50-day moving average is bullish. Turned bullish on April 9th. You see where it got it. It came outside the Bollinger Bands twice. Well, actually 3 times. Here, here, and here. And it came back in. This stock is determined to rise. It got a lot of momentum. I know it's trading above its 200. I know it is. Yeah. This stock is not playing. It's like, oh, you're not finna. Resistance? What resistance? This stock is like, you're not finna hold me down. Oh no, I got to keep on moving. Oh, y'all gotta excuse me. I'm just having fun. I love reading charts. Yeah, it's up $30.32 pre-market. But it is an overbought territory. So, but it looks interesting though. It's in a strong bear. I mean, a strong bull market. I don't know why I keep saying bear because it's not in a bear market. It's actually in a strong bull market. All right, moving right along. Summit looks good. UL, but it is in overbought territory, so I'll be careful with Summit. Let's see. Ticker symbol UL closed at 65.43, up almost 3% yesterday. It must be in overbought territory because it's down to 63.84, down $1.59 per share pre-market. So I got the 50-day moving average is bullish, which turned bullish on April 7th. It's going to pull back, folks, because it is in overbought territory. And yes, it is. So it's already started to pull back. It's already started a correction, but it's in a strong uptrend. So like I say, when they being strong uptrends like this, even though they're gonna pull back, some of them just keep going. But I still got a feeling it's gonna pull back and then it's still gonna turn green. A lot of them, they still turn green even after the pullback and go higher. PDCO. That's an interesting looking chart. I would love to catch that move. That got into serious oversold territory. That's a buy right there. That's an automatic buy. People look at that and be like, "What, I get it?" No, that's a buy. Buy down here is the stock is at 31. It closed at 31.32. It's not showing any other numbers, but Black Bull. But that's a buy. Because you would have rode that all the way back up to here. And then beyond. But it looked like the 50-day moving average turned bearish. Because I can see a little red in there. So the 50-day moving average turned bearish on this. It's not in overbought territory. Not yet. But the 50-day moving average is bearish. And where is the 200? I don't even see the 200. There it is. 200 way down there. So it's trading above its 200. Let's see if it's going to have a green day. Well, it looks like it's going to have a green day, even though the 50 is bullish. It's having some nice spikes. Man, that'd be That's the perfect buying opportunity down there. We'll catch that move right there. Woo! It made some money that day. Somebody did. Okay. Uh, Stock market's open. I'm finna see. I'm gonna hold on to this, and I'm finna see if this finna be a green day. Let's just wait, folks, and see if this turns green. Yeah, it just look like it's. Man, catch that move right there. Woo, that'll look good. The market just opened, folks. But I got a feeling that PDCO that's gonna be a green day. It's gonna be green. Come on. Let's see some green. PDCO. Didn't do much yesterday. Let's see what's going on with this stock. Recent news, Sterling infrastructure. That ain't what this is. This Patterson something. At the rest. Patterson shareholders approve acquisition by Patient Square Capital. Oh, this company's being bought out. So you probably ain't gonna see any action. It's going through an acquisition. Okay, that's understandable. I'm gonna look at some of these other ones I looked at. Let me go back up here to the very top of my watch list. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna see too many action. This, like I said, this company's going through an acquisition, so you ain't finna see much there. BTG. Yeah, I said BTG was headed down, so maybe it's something else. That was my very first stop. LYG. Look at that. I said it was going to be green today. And it is green. And it's up 5 cents so far. LYG. And let me put these this we can put these Bollinger Bands in here. Yeah, today, 23rd. LYG, green light. Let's see. Can't remember if I said ITUB. ITUB. I gotta go cut my grass, folks. Yeah, another green. That's overbought territory. A lot of these stocks, if you know the direction they're going to be going the next day, you need to get in them at night, like around my time. The market closed at 3 p.m. where I am, So that's when I place my trades. I get in after they do their pullbacks, and then ride the spikes the next day. So I'm in and out of trades the same day the next day. Some of them I hold a couple of days, but a lot of them I'm out the next day. Cause I just take my profits and run. I don't get greedy. Cause all you got to do is just look at what it did the prior day and look at the trading range. But yeah, I didn't expect that to be going anywhere. Let's see with NG. Well, the market didn't open now, so I can't even look at these. All you do is look at the previous day's trading. You look at that, look at the close, and you look at where that stock went for on the trading range that day, and see how high it went, and then that kind of give you a ballpark figure of where that stock is going to be going the next day. If it closed below its day's high, and it's in a solid uptrend, you know it's getting ready back. It's going to go back to that price the next day. I mean, it's a no-brainer. So, but anywho, it's I got to get my I got to go cut my grass, folks. And I want to thank everybody for watching my live. I can go ahead and go back and watch the video, but I got things to do. I've been on here for over an hour, so sorry now, and hit the like, share, leave a comment, tell me what you think. I'm gonna try to do this every morning. I'm try to go live about 7:30 every morning until the market opens, finding uptrends and finding stocks that are actually trending up. Appreciate everyone. Thank you. Y'all have a blessed day.